Alright, what is going on, guys? Spiteful is back again, coming at you with a two-parter. We're going to be summoning for Kratos, and we are going to be summoning for whatever. Now, I'm not really too excited for this. To be honest, I really could care less about this guy in particular, but it's a 500 multi. I figured, why not? A chance to get Tsukiyomi, I believe. She should be in the pool. And let's just hope for the best. 2,500 summons, damn, dude. Jesus, dang. That's a lot. It looks like they're gonna continue doing these 2,500 multis until all the whales decide to stop summoning on those. The rates of actually getting shards is worse than the 1,000 banners, so yeah. Whatever they can do to get money, I guess. Do I care for this enchanted? No. Nice, so they have some more multis. Excellent, so they do have some more multis. Excellent. Okay, so I'm hyped. We're gonna be doing quite a few multis. Excellent. Oh, there's a download. That means we got a new 5-star, most likely. I don't think they've added a new 4-star in a while, so... Ooh, 3 yellows. Hopefully we can get something good in there. Maybe one of them could turn red. There we go. Boom, baby! Itsuki. Okay, I'll take the dupe. She's not farmable yet, but once she's farmable, she'll be great. Zangetsu. He's kind of fallen off. A lot. Boom, baby. Okay, Unagi? Damn, them some healthy milk sacks. Damn, girl. Alright. Alright, so that's the new one. Was hoping to get Kratos, but alright. Oh, nice. And we got Victor's 3rd job. Too bad I think I actually need to Kaigen him for him to be remotely useful. Let me know in the comments below if he's useful without Kaigen. I've been hesitant on working on him. And I kind of don't want to work on him. I feel like I'd rather work on Vettel or something. I do have his Nenso, though. I will say that. But I also have Vettel's Nenso. Alright, Unagi. Nice. I mean, she looks cool. Alright. Oof, I'm scared. I'm scared. Alright, let's, boom, baby. No download. Please be red. Ooh, that's not good. I think it's like a 65% chance to get a 5-star in a multi in this game because it's 10% rates. And the Memento. Now this is where it matters. Damn it. No download. That's tough. We got a 5-star Nenso. It's most likely going to be a dupe. Victor dupe. Okay. It's actually not bad. I'm going to start working on that one because that allows me to not only limit break it, but I'll be able to get this... Actually, I don't know if I want to use it, because I feel like I should get the alchemic boundary on this one to 100% also. Like, getting 2 of these sounds pretty OP. You know what? Actually, I'm going to summon for my girl. And she usually allows me to, but we'll see. I'll be right back. I completely forgot that we actually got a 5-star unit selector. I want to see how far this goes. Oh, so it goes all the way up to Gerald. Okay, cancel. That's pretty good. Who do I want? I'm trying to see like who I don't have. You know what's funny is if I grab Olga, she'll be 85. Like right now, she'll be 85. I think I'm gonna get Naka though. I pretty much have everybody else here. Naka's the only one I'm missing that I actually want, I think. That and Dorothea. Ooh, Dorothea might be a good choice too. You have a very good selection here. Yeah, so you can get Balt. Ooh. Alright, yeah, so we're just gonna get Naka. Boom. My Naka, my Naka. My Naka, my Naka, my motherfucking Naka. Alright, there we go. Alright. And yeah, finally. Fucking took long enough. I had to actually relog in because my junk crashed. Alright. Where is Naka, man? Oh, I'm hyped. I'm happy because, like, I've been wanting to pull her for stupid long. I've been farming her junk since, like, since I could, like, last remember. Yeah, so now we finally have her at 79 already, which is excellent. And then I can start working more towards her other stuff. That's good. I will be looking to enlighten her when that ends up coming around, but I don't know when that's actually going to take place. And let's see what dupe I'm going to get. I think that I'm going to end up going with Balt. I think Balt might be the go-to here. Soul Shard Selector. 25 Elemental Soul Shard Selector, so I get to choose what That is crazy. I'm gonna get Dark for Levi because Attack on Titan collab is gonna come out eventually. Hopefully it doesn't come out with Kaigen. Now I know you guys that actually know this game are like, they're like, oh, but they don't have Kaigen on JP. How could they have Kaigen on Global? I make this joke because it's a sick joke. Now their level 85 has Kaigen level stats, but I was thinking it'd be kind of scummy, and I wouldn't even be surprised if Gummy decides, like, since they've been doing all their 2500 banners, I think it would be funny if they decide to release if they release Attack on Titan characters with their Kaigen, except they have JP 85 stats after you Kaigen them at 555 gates. Because, like, their leader skills, even before, like, even without Kaigen, are stupid, right? So I think that'd be kind of funny. Alright, so what is this gonna be? It's like a unit soul shard selector. I think we're gonna grab this too. This would be good. Light shards could be good. I mean, this doesn't expire. I think I'm just gonna wait. I'm not in a rush for this stuff. I think I'm gonna probably go with Dark. It depends on what character I want to shard first. This doesn't expire, which is good, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. Anyways, yeah.
Alright, and we are back, and it looks like we're gonna have face cam for this, so hopefully we can get Sharky something good. And yeah, hopefully hopefully we can get a 5-star Memento. I think that's mainly what she actually wants more than anything. But ooh, here we go. Got some gems back. We're gonna skip this, I don't care. Let's do the daily single. Boom, baby. No download. I'm just gonna skip it. These are usually it's usually not really that good. Sometimes you get a 5-star. If you do, great. If not, it is what it is. Alright. First multi. We're going to be doing 3 multis on this account too. Just because it's like 500 multis. Why not? Oh, that is dirty. Damn. It's like K-Lab right here. Oof. Alright, let's do... Oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. 5x rates for Dark Artemis and Dark Levitine. Ooh, I really want Levitine too, but look at, damn, y'all are charging way too much. Fuck that. Y'all are bugging. Boom. Oh, there we go. There's a red. And a bunch of yellows could turn red too, so here's hoping for that. Alright, looks like we're not doing that. I don't know if we will get a dupe or a new character. We didn't get a download, so it's possible that we don't get anything new. Boom. Levitine. Is that new for her? That is new for her. Okay. Alright. I don't think she's really that good. Like, if it was Dark Levitine, that'd be so much better. But, I mean, it's a new character. Can't complain about that. And here's where it matters. Give me 2 5-star Mementos. You owe Sharky so much, bro. Give her something good. Boom. That's 1 5-star Memento. Okay, good. Wow, that's the only Memento we got. But damn, that's a lot of red. That's another red. Yes! Boom, baby, that's Unagi. Okay. Oh, you have Unagi? Damn, look at them breasts, though. Damn! And I have this on the full screen. Like, that's not even right, dude. This is rated E for everyone. This game is weird, because, like, if you don't have large breasts, you're not female. And there's a lot of, oh, Gerald shards. She definitely wants that. I know she's happy. I know she's gonna be happy with that. Damn, I want this to be the new thing though. I want that 5-star Memento to be new. Another red. How many? Yo, that is funny. She has been farming Zahar since she started playing this game. Alright, so this 5-star Memento is probably gonna be a dupe, but now she doesn't have to use the selector on Zahar. Oh! Bro! Yeah, she's definitely not gonna be bad that I just summoned for her. Oh my god! And Azon, okay? Yo, if this goes red, please go red. Just do it for me. Just do it for me. Ah, damn it. Alright. Yo, I'm getting greedy. But what is this multi though? And it's new on old. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 stars. Oh my god. Dude. Hold up, I need to screenshot this. Like, this is insane. This is just nuts. Boom, sneaky sharky, do 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 do. And what's funny, like, alright, so Sharky is actually supposed to be next to me. Like, we were supposed to summon this together. Unfortunately, what had happened was her flight actually got canceled last minute. Frontier Airlines, you suck. Straight up, you suck. Because, like, we had an Airbnb set up so that she could stay with me. And now I'm losing the deposit on that. And she's still not here. And it's, like, her flight isn't for 12 hours after she... no, 14 hours after she was supposed to arrive here, which sucks. Ugh. But fortunately, at least she's gonna wake up to something good. Zahar though with his Nenso, that's insane. We've been playing this game for about 130 days. I've been playing for 130 days. She's been playing for like 122 days. I know I have like a week or two on top of whatever she's been playing. But damn, dude. Oh, that's excellent. Look at this. Boom, baby. Yeah, 25. Brings it all the way up to level 80. Now, sure, you need to Kaigen him for him to be good, but what's good is she doesn't have to transmute him, which I would have told her not to do that to begin with, and then on top of that, she has him with his Nenso. Oh, that's fucking gorgeous. Okay. Alright, I think that I'm just gonna put these two together. I think I'm just gonna put these two videos together. I was gonna wait for another week, and, damn, bro. You know what? Let's put the gear summons. Let's do the gear summons too, and I'm gonna do that on my account, and we're gonna switch back to my account after this. Oh, I'm so happy for her, dude. I am so freaking happy for her. That's so good. I'm trying to see if there's anything that I'm missing. Okay, and she's already did the first step on that. All right, can we pull fire for her here too? Boom, baby, download. Yeah, there you go. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, Caleb. I beckon you. Give me whatever. 1, 2 yellows. Now, I don't think that, I'm just gonna skip this because I really could care less about having that explode up on me. Boom, baby. That is gonna be good. That's pretty good. I like that. And a Staff of Rich Harvest. What is this for? Wait, who is this for? Magical Honor Student. Staff of Rich Harvest. This looks pretty good. I don't know who it's supposed to be for, but I mean, it's new. Enables master ability. Jewel recovery once evolved to 5-star if job is... excuse me, merchant. Okay, so I mean, I guess it's for merchants. That's pretty good. Okay, so we're going to be back. I'm going to go on my account, and then we're going to close up this video. Thank y'all for joining me, and skrat!
Alright, and we are back. Now, this Memento banner, I'm not going to lie, if it was like one of those 1500, I probably would do it for 1500, but unfortunately it's not. Whew. So, did all that, step 1 on that too. Boom, baby. Please give me something new too. Yes, we got something new. Excellent. Can we pull fire? Sharky pulled fire. Oh, that sucks. I mean, we got something new, I guess. I don't think I give a shit anymore, though. What is this? Namu Chakram. Oh, I mean... that's the only thing I have for dancers. Okay, at least it's useful. What's funny is I believe that I literally just fucking transmuted this Melodious tag. Alright, well, at least Sharky pulls fire. I'm gonna leave it at that. Y'all know this, guys. Grind on, catch me up, hit me up, stay blessed. I wish you the best of luck in your summons. We pulled pretty fire today. Like I pulled Unagi on my account. Sharky got a dupe Unagi. I got dupe Itsuki. She pulled fire on the Memento banner. Oh man, I'm hyped. Stay blessed, y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.